What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to TJ Chapman Auto. Today we have 2020 Ford F-150 King Wrench with the FX4 Off-Road Package as well. Let's go ahead and give you guys a quick turn around, walk around of the entire exterior of the truck, and then we're gonna move on onto the interior, show you guys every feature, every little defect that we find, and then go on to an overall walk around. All right, so as you can tell, we have some Goodyear Wrangler tires on it. Fresh, super fresh tires. Let's go ahead and pause the turntable. Here we have the EcoBoost motor, our King Wrench badging over here. Let's go ahead and use our power tailgate to slowly come down and show you how much space we have in this truck bed. Super spacious, super techy. Let's go ahead and pull this back up. And then we have 2 cameras. And then we have our towing accessories, our tow hitch here on the bottom. Now, once again, these super nice King Wrench wheels, our FX4 Off-Road badging, some more King Wrench badging in the front as well, and then our numerical entry. If by chance you are unable to access it with your key, you can then use your numerical code and access the truck. All right, so we have some light brown goldish grills here in the front as well, our LED headlights, keyless entry, and then we have our brown King Wrench interior. This interior looks amazing. Here in the door panels, you will find some dark brown leather with some wood grain, and then black here on your buttons. I have automatic windows in the front, power folding mirrors that have lane assist as well, and they will blink to let you know whenever a car is nearby. Here we have our power front seats, our King Wrench badging here by the doorstep. Now entering the truck, we have our headlight controls, our e-brake and pedal adjustment. We have our camera view for the side view mirrors. We have our handle to assist us in getting in and out of the vehicle. And once again, 12,058 miles only in this truck. It is practically brand new. For the steering wheel controls, cruise control settings on the left, volume settings on the right. As for our main display, let's go ahead and start it up. As you can see, it starts right up. Built Ford Tough logo right in the beginning, our digital speedometer, and once again we're ensured that there's no issues, no lights, no engine lights, nothing of the sort. Here we have our main display with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth sound. You have a Bang & Olufsen premium sound system here in this truck as well. 4-wheel drive settings, differential lock, trailer settings here right below it, and then once we slide our shifter to neutral or drive, we can take a better look at our heated and ventilated front seats that work fantastically. So, climate controls here, obviously dual button to the right side if you want your passenger to have access to the same climate control settings you do, and then you press sync as well to synchronize your settings. Here we have an AC adapter and a 12-volt lighter adapter as well to charge your devices even faster. Up here we have auto start stop, your phone holder right next to the Bang & Olufsen badging, our hill descent assist, traction control off, our hazards, and then we have lane departure warning. So let's go ahead and shut off auto start stop. Let's go ahead and click our gear selected to reverse. And as you can see, we have a really nice reverse view that turns as you turn your steering wheel to help you with parking. And then you have a proximity warning as well with the parking sensors to allow you to not crash into anything. So, center console, some more King Wrench badging stitched right onto it. Pulling this up, storage. I would believe this would be cash and coin. Here we have some extra storage on the bottom as well, and you can slide this back and forth to whatever your customization preferences are. On the bottom, you'll find another 12-volt lighter adapter. Maybe you can slide a radar detector, charge another device here while it cools off. On our glove box, loads and loads of space. You can pull it right back down or push it right back up, and just a little bit forceful, and there we go. Another door handle on the passenger side to assist you in getting in and out of the vehicle once again. As for the rear seats, this is where the most comfort is at in my opinion. We have the same pattern on the door panels, another door handle to assist us short people like me, and on the headrest you'll find the King Wrench badging established in 1853 here as well. All-weather floor mats front and rear, 2 cup holders, and then heated rear seats with 2 USB Type-A fast charging ports and an AC power adapter as well. Right below it, you'll find your King Wrench carpeting. And once again, King wrench badging all throughout the seats. Cup holder right here. Pull it back down. And there you have it. As you can see, the truck's in fantastic condition. Not even curb rash on the wheels. These tires are so new, you can still see the little sticks poking out of the sidewall. And not only the tires, the truck itself is practically brand new. LED headlights, LED taillights, tow mirrors. Fantastic truck for an amazing price. You can check out this King wrench, our other F-150 inventory, or our other overall inventory at djchapmanauto.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.